welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and this is my bottles unboxing again. So if you'd seen my other video, I ordered 30 of these bottles, which are the same as I've got in my cases of 60. They've got they're just a different style, and they sent me these. So they're more like film cases. They've got wider lids, they've got wider bottoms. They're not what I ordered. I wanted duplicates of these because I've got a couple that are damaged. I did message the seller to say a couple had come damaged in the cases, and then I spotted 30 for a small amount. So I was like, oh, don't worry, like I'll get some more and then I can replace the ones that are damaged, and I've got some spares. And they sent me those. So I did message the seller saying, and they did say it's a new design, and I'm like, doesn't matter, I want what I ordered. So they've sent me them again. So I'm very eager to see if these are indeed what I ordered. So let's have a look. It is again in this bubble packaging. So I'm trying to work out what sort of, whether it came like last time. I think they came in a bag inside this bubble packaging. Oh, and it looks like they've done the same again. So let's get this outer casing off. Okay, so outer casing is off, and we have a much smaller bag inside. So to show, is it smaller? Oh no, it's actually the same size. That shows how much I can see. So that is probably about the same size as the last one. So let's have a look which bottles we have in this one. I'm hoping to goodness that they are the ones that I ordered originally and wanted originally. And they are. So happy. So that is the bottle that I wanted compared to the bottles that I've got. I do understand if they have a completely new design, that is fine. But when I ask and the picture shows these bottles, they're the ones I want. So absolutely fantastic. I have now 30 of the bottles that I did want. And if they are changing the design, I definitely want to have a spare stash of these bottles, because I can be a little bit fussy when it comes to the way they all look in the case. These ones I find don't fit in the case as nice as these bottles do. I don't think they're as nice and as snug. And of course, if a bottle becomes damaged, whether it be the couple that have got damaged in transport, or whether it be damaged due to my error in the future, I do want them all to look the same. So there we go. I have what I ordered. So I do have some of these bottles which I did use for my Ever Moment. I'm not going to throw them away. It's not worth throwing them away, but they're definitely not what I wanted. What I wanted was more of these bottles for any that become damaged in my 60 bottles case. So you'll be happy to know the seller has put it right. They have sent me what I've ordered. You know, there was a little bit of a sort of push, should we say, to say no, it's the new style, sort of, you've got what you ordered. But once I've gone back to them and said, nope, this is what I've ordered, this is what I want, they just ship them out, no problem. So very impressed. I will be marking these as received. Just for anybody that does order off AliExpress, has anything like this, I didn't open a dispute over these bottles. I gave the seller a chance to put it right. I messaged them first. I sent them pictures, because we do talk in different languages, so pictures always help. Sent pictures, this is what I ordered, this is what I got, I want what I ordered, and they've put it right. So now I'll mark it as received. If for any reason they didn't put it right, or they kept coming back and putting barriers in place, that's the time to use a dispute. But anyway, I thought I'd let you know. Stella done good. Thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.